Okay, when I purchased food in Silver Lake, they gave me this one. And then there's a, I don't know what they called it, I forgot. Then there's a paper, lucky notes. I will read it. And then this one, you can eat this one. But before I eat, I will read this one. My lucky. So, you will travel far and wide for both pleasure and business. I will try also this one. So the paper is inside. Oh.